Research after research of scouring the internet trying to find the secret to achieving clear glass skin. I think I found it. I'm here to share the game-changing discoveries that will make your skin look so good, even you won't recognize yourself in the mirror. First thing is hydration. Before you say it, I know you might have heard of this before, but hear me out. I want you to think of your skin as a thirsty little sponge that needs all the hydration it can get. This is where a hydrating skincare routine comes in, especially at nighttime because this is when your skin recovers from the day's shenanigans. Trust me, you'll wake up looking like a juicy grape instead of a dried up raisin. Now for the second solution, we are going to be removing your sunscreen effectively. Double cleansing is the way to go, folks. It's like a two-step dance, but made for your face. First, you'll use a cleansing balm or oil to break down all that gunk, and then you follow it up with a foaming cleanser to give your pores a deep clean. Trust me, your skin will thank you for not leaving any traces of that sunscreen behind. Exfoliation is the key to unclogging those pores and giving your skin a fresh start. But let's be real, physical scrubs are so last year. Chemical exfoliants like AHAs, BHAs, and PHAs are where it's at. They're like little skincare ninjas that gently slough off dead skin cells without turning your face into a battleground. Plus, who doesn't love the idea of having baby soft skin? You know what's better than having great skin? Keeping it that way. That's where skin barrier repair comes in. Snail mucin products with collagen, glycolic acid, and allantoin are like a suit of armor for your skin. They strengthen that barrier, reduce inflammation, and keep your skin looking radiant and healthy. And if snails can rock that glowy look, why can't you? Now let's talk about the real MVP of skincare, SPF. I know, you've heard it a million times, but trust me, this is worth repeating. Sunscreen is like a force field for your skin, protecting it from those pesky UV rays that cause premature aging and damage. But why settle for just any old SPF when you can get one with added benefits like birch juice? It's like having a skincare superhero on your side, protecting you from pollution, brightening your complexion, and aiding cell turnover. Last but not least, is simplifying your routine. I get it, sometimes all those steps and products can feel overwhelming. That's why I'm a big fan of simplifying things. For your PM routine, stick to the basics. Cleanse, tone, essence, and moisturize. And in the morning, keep it simple with just a toner and SPF.